Hello guys and welcome back to this episode. And right now we're gonna talk about HTML paragraph. Just as your normal paragraph that you know, HTML paragraph is just paragraph. Okay, basically writing a paragraph on your web. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Okay, there is an element or a tag for it, and that's basically a p tag. All right, just writing a p gets the stuff done for you. All right, just as this. Okay, so having the p, you can just start writing whatever thing you want to write. Okay, so there is this abbreviation because we are making use of Visual Studio Code, right? Just to write some dummy tests without trying to stress myself and trying to run some, write some dummy tests. There is a way to go about that, and we're gonna make use of that right now. So what I want you to do right now is basically to type in lorem, okay, as such lorem, then the number of words, okay, the number of words you might want to have on your web, okay, displayed on your web. All right, so let me say I want to have 30 words displayed on my web, um on my web. I can just write lorem 30, okay, and it shows this MS abbreviation. Just make sure that this appears on yours, because if it doesn't appear, it won't work. Okay, so it's actually I believe it comes with Visual Studio Code. So when you install Visual Studio Code on your PC, it kind of have every other thing installed together. Okay, so when it says this MS abbreviation, just go ahead and click enter, or you basically click on it. Okay, I will click on enter, and automatically it generates some random words for me that is up to 30. So when you count this, actually is up to 30. Okay, so this is actually the way we can be going. We were using displaying some dummy text on our website. Okay, in case we do not want to have we don't want to stress ourselves in trying to type in some words for example sake. Okay, so we're just gonna make use of lorem. All right, so did you just see it, and we have done our paragraph right now. Okay, what I will do right now is just click on go live, or as I told you last time, just right click and then open with live server. Anyone at all that best suits you, it opens up on the browser for you, and automatically we are having our paragraph displayed on the web. Okay, now you might want to have another paragraph. All you have to do is just same way you can write a p, and then you can say maybe lorem 50 this time around, and then boom, you're having a paragraph on your web. As you can see, we're having two paragraphs. Just the same way you can also have more than 10 paragraphs um on your web. All right, this is just it for HTML paragraph. There is nothing there, there is nothing much to worry about. This is what you should know at this point in HTML paragraph. That is it for now. See you right in the next episode.